friends, and karibu so much to my channel. Today I'm coming to show you how I'm preparing some pancakes. I'm making some pancakes today. So I'm using some flour, 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm using 3 to 4 eggs that are small, so I use a lot of eggs when it comes to pancake. And you will need some milk. I'm using 200 ml of milk. I'm using low-fat milk, and I'm using some brown sugar as well. I'm using some cooking oil. That will be for frying the pancakes, and that's basically it. And I'm using a hand mixer. I find it handy to use, and it's very quick. So first of all, I'm going to do the eggs, and I'm using here a jug. I find it easier for me to use a jug rather than a bowl, because I can whisk very quickly. So, and my pan there is on, I've just put it on medium heat just to warm up slowly. So I'm making 2 types of pancakes, savory pancakes and just sweet pancakes. These are not American pancakes, they're just my own way of making my own pancakes. So stay tuned as we do this.